going to see about the queue concept. So what is queue means? That is, it's a concept of last in first out. First in first out concept. That is, if you are taking, if you want to insert elements from one end, then you can delete the elements in the other end also. Okay. So you can insert and delete the different things. It's called a queue. So queue is a first in first out concept. Here it's having a rear and a front 2 points we are having, but in a stack it's having top as a pointer. Here we are having rear and a front as a pointer. So in a rear we can use the NQ operation. In front end we can use a DQ operation. So NQ means we can insert the element. DQ means we can remove the elements from the queue. Okay. Here we are having the 5 types of operations like NQ, DQ, T is full and is empty. NQ means we can store the element or insert the element. So DQ means we can remove a data or element from the queue. Then T is the get the element without removing. That is, we can get the element position without removing the elements from the queue. So is full is the, you should check whether the queue is full or not. Likewise, is empty operations, we can check the queue is the empty or not. So if we can add, we can input or give the elements in one end, then there is the elements in the other end. This is the queue concept. So we are inserting a data in one. That is, it's a rack or a here it's a front point. It's a rack point. Here we can NQ the elements. Here we can DQ the elements. So after that, we are having the algorithm of this NQ and DQ. Likewise, same as a stack. But here, if you are taking as an algorithm in a queue concept, that is first in first out concept, we can use the applications real time, like what we can say in a real time, printer buffer. So if you are taking the printer's buffer, so last printing document will be worked out. So it's a one type of a real time example. So we can take a printer buffer. The recent job or a printing document will be executed in a queue concept. Okay. So last job will be print or a document will be printed in a printer. So in the buffer it will store as a queue concept. It will work. Okay. So it's a one type of example in a queue concept. So if you are going as a algorithm in a DQ, that is NQ algorithm, first it will check or it initialize the array, then we have to declare the 2 types of variables. This may be a value or n is a stack, that is queue size, and value is the data what we have to insert in a queue. So it's a first one, first in first out concept. So here the values will be added in a queue. Likewise, it's having the 2 ends. So here rear and as a front. So first we have to add the elements in a empty queue. So first it will check the array is empty. If it is empty, then it will NQ the data. Then likewise, after that it will increment the rear position. That is, the pointer position will be incremented. Every element should be inserted in a queue. That is, we are taking here it's a rear position, it's a front position. So the RAR will be incremented after inserting every element in a queue. Okay. So it's a main NQ concept in a queue. Okay. Thank you.